Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moyle Public School, Standard 10 Mathematics. This is your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan, and today we'll see varieties of problem on quadratic equation. So students, in our previous videos we have learned about quadratic equation. So now today we solve varieties of question on quadratic equation. So like quadratic equation, so here we have to identify the given equation is quadratic or not. Second thing, to solve quadratic equation by using various methods like factorization method, quadratic formula, like that. After that we'll see questions based on nature of roots, and nature of roots depends on discriminant. If the discriminant cases means different values, either it is greater than, less than or equal to, so like that the roots of quadratic equation changes its nature. And last one is equation which we have to reduce to quadratic equation. So let's start for types of questions. So the first type is, which of the following are quadratic equation? First one is x square minus 6x minus 4 which is equal to 0. We know that if the degree of any quadratic polynomial is 2, means the degree of any polynomial is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Similarly, when we equate that quadratic polynomial with the another value, then it reform quadratic equation. In second case, the degree of equation is 1, so we can't say the given equation is quadratic. It is a linear equation, it is not a quadratic equation. Students, we already learned how to factorize the quadratic equation. So here are some solved example. Let's see its solution. So the first example is x square minus 3x minus 10 which is equal to 0. So here when we express minus 3x, means the middle term as a sum of minus 5x and plus 2x, so we'll get here middle term, that is minus 3x, and the product is minus 10. As we already know about if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, then the middle term is the minus of sum of its root, and the constant term is product of this two roots. Similarly, we'll apply this condition here. So after factorization we get x minus 5 which is equal to 0 and x plus 2 which is equal to 0. So from that we get two roots, that is x is equal to 5 and another root is x is equal to minus 2. This is the another example of quadratic equation which we solved by using factorization method. Students, write down its solution. Now we see the another variety of quadratic equation, means this is the another method which we use for solving its solution. So the given example is x square minus 24 minus 10x. First of all, we rearrange the terms and make it quadratic equation. So x square plus 10x minus 24 which is equal to 0, this is our quadratic equation. After putting the values of coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant term in the quadratic formula, we get the two roots, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 12, and you know very well what is the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by twice a. Student, you have seen one term, that is b square minus 4ac in quadratic formula. So that b square minus 4ac is nothing but the value of discriminant. So when the value of discriminant is greater than 0, so the given equation has two real and distinct roots. Distinct means different roots. and if the value of discriminant is equal to 0, then it has two equal roots. And the last condition is, if the value of discriminant is less than 0, then it has no real roots. So the given question is based on that discriminant. Find the nature of roots for the equation x square plus x plus 12 which is equal to 0. So here we have to calculate its discriminant. So after putting the value, we get here minus 47, and if the discriminant is less than 0, it means that it has no real roots. Student, as an exam point of view, this is the important type of another variety, that is x raised to the power 4 plus x square plus 12 which is equal to 0. And when we solve this equation, so first of all we have to convert this equation into quadratic form. So let us consider x square which is equal to u. So equation becomes u square plus 7u plus 12 is equal to 0. After factorizing, so we get here two roots, u is equal to 4 and u is equal to 3. Now here in first case we put x square which is equal to u. So after replacing the value of x with u, so we get x is equal to plus minus 2 or plus minus 3. Student, this is also very important type of equation which we have to solve and find its roots. So find the roots of equation. Here 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 which is equal to 11 by 30. Here x not equal to minus 4 and 7. So after rationalizing it, after make the LCM, we get x minus 7 minus x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7 which is equal to 11 by 30. So after solving this equation, we get x plus 4, x minus 7 which is equal to minus 30. So x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 plus 30 which is equal to 0. After solving this term, we get the quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 2 which is equal to 0. After factorizing minus 3x, we get two roots, that is x is equal to minus x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, means x minus 1 which is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. After placing 1 or after transposing 1 towards right hand side and after transposing minus 2 towards right hand side, we get two roots, that is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So student, for your more practice, this is the question based on varieties of quadratic equation. So note down today's assignment in your mathematics copy and solve it. Students, I hope you understand today's topic. We'll meet again with another interesting video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.